Receiving email attachments is common, especially from people outside your organization. What's also common is to store your content in SharePoint or Office 365. Using AvePoint Office Connect, you can take your attachments from the email and move them directly into your collaboration platform. To do that, locate the email and select it. You then have several choices. Up at the top on the ribbon in the Office Connect group, you can see that we have Manage Attachments. You can also right-click the email and find Manage Attachments, or you can view the email and click on the drop-down next to the attachment itself to see the same options. Copy Attachment from SharePoint will allow you to duplicate the attached file while leaving the original on the email message itself. Move Attachment to SharePoint will copy the attachment from email to your target destination and then delete it from the email itself. The email will be retained, just not the attachment. The last option, Copy Extracted Attachment to SharePoint, is if you received a zip file. You can extract the attachment from within the zip and again copy it over to SharePoint or your OneDrive in Office 365. In this case, I'm going to click Move Attachment to SharePoint. In Office Connect, over on the left, I have my favorites, recent locations, and my SharePoint connections. If I've added connections to my favorites for easy use, I can select that, browse from my OneDrive, locate my documents, and that's where I'm going to drop it. We click Next, fill in any metadata that may be required, and then down at the bottom, we click Upload. Once you receive the successfully uploaded the selected files notification, and you can see a hyperlink to that file, you'll know your attachment has been copied or moved to the target destination. If I close that now and look at the original email message, we'll notice that there's no longer the attached icon, and I'll notice that the attachment is no longer showing in the message itself. Instead, we've been left with a link, so that way I can get to it in my OneDrive, but if I can't remember that I put it there, and I come back to the email, I have a link directly to it. Thanks for watching this short video on how to manage email attachments using AvePoint Office Connect.